guys, so basically I'm doing this voiceover just to tell you my marks or basically my 11th class result, and I'm going to tell you my percentage as well as the theory marks out of 70, and in one subject I have out of 50. Like in English I got 63 on 70, physics 23 on 70, and chemistry 30 on 70, bio 47 on 70, and in computer science I got 62 on 70, and in yoga, which is my optional subject, the marks are 46 on 50. So if you calculate all the marks out of 70 and then calculate my percentage is 68% approx. And if you calculate the overall academic percentage, it's 71, including all the half yearly and PT1 exams and all the practical exam marks. One more thing, that we only got our report card. We didn't see the answer sheet, so I am not very sure, really sure that where I've made the mistakes, and I have like not seen my mistakes, so I don't have any scope of improvement of marks. But now whatever I have got the result, I have to accept it and move forward and do better in the class 12th. So yeah. Now coming to my reaction, I scored pretty good marks in class 10th, and like above 90% marks in class 10th, and this downfall is so much, like I cannot accept the fact, like I've got above 90% and this is 70%, approx a downfall of 20%. And to be honest, I know like the class 10th is different from class 11th. Syllabus is more, of course, and the toughness of the subject increases. So this time the paper was so tough, like of physics especially, like harder than the previous set in our school. So a quarter of the student passed the class 11th physics and chemistry exam, and like mostly are giving the compartment exam. So talking about biology, I am not very sure where I lost the marks, as I already told, like the answer sheets were not shown to us. So in bio, I expected a little more marks, but still, the paper was tricky, and it was so. The paper was from the lines of NCERT, and it was so deep. And plus, we got only 1 day gap in biology exam, so we had to revise like the whole 19 chapters in one go in just 1 day. So that was pretty quite harder task for us. So that was all the things, and I think time management was also some of the keys. And plus, at the end moment, I was not able to revise the diagrams, so diagrams question came from there. And that is all what I wanted to say about class 11th was definitely a new experience for us, because the syllabus was so in deep, so it was basically a long jump from 10th to 11th, and now we have got our experiences. And work hard for class 12th, because it is a board class and you have to focus on your competitive exams as well. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye.